This is a special day for a lot of people on a highway because today is raining with money.
This is the most insane thing I've ever seen. Someone dropped money all over the freeway. San Diego has shut down. Literally, it has shut down. Look at the freeway right now. Oh my gosh. Literally everybody stopped on the freeway to get money off of the freeway. This is literally insane. This is insane. Oh my gosh.
Then we going to sister tonight, baby. Fuck!
I missed it! Only 2% of all people on Earth can do this exercise.
Bro,
This dog came home after having a surgery and was still anesthetized.
Do you want to lay down? How about you lay down, kiddo? Yeah, go ahead and lay down. Yeah, go ahead.
Kaja. Kaj. What do you think about life?
Oh no, not again. Ketchup. Don't get TP. Thank you, good girl. Thank you.